Grandma, read us a story.
All right, let's see what's up today. Yay. Caillou was having fun playing roadblocks. Now he was going to build the tallest tower in the whole world. This was the tallest tower ever made. Yay!
Boo! Don't do that! Beep, beep! Beep, beep! Beep, beep! Beep! You broke! Go play with toys! Rosie, give me! Mommy! Rosie won't play with toys!
Maybe she just wants to play with you.
But I want to play with her.
Caillou, I'm busy, and I can't be busy all the time.
What, Mom?
You and Rosie have to learn how to work out.
No, we can't!
Caillou was happy reading his book.
Go away, Rosie. Go out of my room, Rosie. Go out of my... Oh. No! Yay!
Books are for hitting, not for reading. Caillou, did you make Rosie cry?
No.
Caillou was glad that Rosie wasn't going to bother him anymore. Caillou was so busy. Caillou remembered that playing with Rosie was fun.
Well,
Caillou remembered Rosie. Caillou remembered that Caillou was fun.
I see.
Now Caillou was so fun. He didn't want his mommy. He wanted his Rosie.
No!
Caillou remembered fun.
Beep, 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 beep.